Hi everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to clear cache on TokenPocket. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, tap Open TokenPocket application from your app drawer. Make sure that you're logged into your wallet as well. Once you're in the main homepage, tap on the gear button at the bottom right-hand corner. From the settings menu, scroll down and tap on Clean Browser Cache. Soon after you do that, you will be able to clear out your cache data from your TokenPocket application. That was super easy, wasn't it? So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you never miss out on another update from us. I will be back again in the next tutorial. Thank you for watching.